Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video, I guess today's video is more so is just a come ride with me, or let's ride, or some type of moto vlog. No real topic of discussion. At least I don't think so. Oh, well, yeah, I do have a topic to talk about. First of all, before I say the topic, I'm heading towards this nice little restaurant called Flavors of Jamaica. Going to take a little bit of back road, take a highway to try to get there. It should take about probably about 20 minutes from now. It really all depends on how the traffic is. Traffic looks like it's actually kind of backed up. Plus today looks kind of ugly, man. It's cloudy. It's not raining, it's just cloudy, and hopefully the sun comes out later today, because kind of want to hit up a couple of spots later on today. But anyways, so today, the recording of this video is February 1st. Technically, this is the day I went to DeLand, I think it's called DeLand Suzuki or DeLand Power Sports, Motorsports, whatever they call it. The link has been in my description since I started the channel, a place where I got my bike from. I went up there 1 year ago today to go grab this bike. So I've technically now have, well, I guess today would be, I've had the paper, bought the bike today, received the bike on the 2nd of February. So yeah, basically it's been 1 year of owning this bike. Unfortunately, it's only been 11 months since riding the bike. But this last 12 months has been one hell of a whirlwind with this. Well, not necessarily a whirlwind with this bike, but like it's been a lot of fun. I think so far I've put in over 6,500 miles on this bike, which I'm so totally happy about. I didn't even realize there was a car behind me. Holy cow. But yeah, I've now had this bike for 1 whole year. It's been a lot of fun. Oh, I'm coming for some twisties. This is like the only Florida twisties you actually get in Florida. Well, not really. There's actually some other places that have more twisties. Oh yeah, that was good. Oh, it could have been better, but over the last year, my skill level has definitely improved. Stalling the bike has completely stopped. Haven't dropped the bike since like the 3rd month I've had the bike. So I can guarantee it's been over 6 months since I've dropped the bike. You know, did all the modifications. I do have 2 modification videos. One of them was just, I think it was the last video, was the last set of modifications I did on this video, on this bike. But yo, people, deleting my mirrors has been a game changer on riding. Because for some odd reason when I'm riding, I can't remember if I explained this in the last video when I showed off these bar end mirrors. For some odd reason, the actual mirrors were messing with me on going into turns and curves, especially when going right. And so leaning over was a problem. The only thing I think of is that the mirrors were so high up that they were like magnets for my eyes. And you know, when going into curves and turns and stuff like that, you have to lead with your eyes and the direction of your head. So like when I was going into turns, I would come down to about here and it will mess me up somehow, and like I would have to take the turn, especially going right, I would have to take the turn going a hell of a lot slower. But it was one of the most surprising things that I noticed as soon as I deleted these mirrors. So that's actually been a godsend. So I highly suggest for any new people, beginner riders, what you guys probably could do instead of having a mirror delete, if you go out and practice on back roads like how I am on a back road, just fold your mirrors in and try to hit the curves like that and see how you feel. And if you don't feel comfortable with that, you might, let me think. With taping, no. You'll just, I know what. Instead of doing that, if you don't feel comfortable folding in your mirrors, just make sure to try not to focus in on the mirror when going into a turn. Just be super, super conscious. Even, it was one of those things that I didn't realize until I got the mirror deletes. And that's when I realized that, like, hey, I can go with the curves. So, like, I think it's been a little over a month now since I've had no mirrors up here, but I've had the bar end mirrors. Like I said, total game changer when going into curves and the turns, basically maneuvering the bike. So, like, I've been totally happy about that. These bar end mirrors, for me, have actually been really good because I'm still am able to see behind me. But there are still blind spots, just like any other vehicle. There's always still blind spots. As a matter of fact, just last week, no, 2 weeks ago, I was riding around. Hold on. Ooh, biker. Yeah, just 2 weeks ago, I was on this 2-lane back road, you know, just cruising along, and I was about to go ahead and I was in this left lane. I was about to switch over to the right lane. I did check the mirror. There was nothing there, and luckily, I looked over, and out of the corner of my eye, there was a car right there in the right lane in my complete blind spot. Talk about being pissed as all hell. For one, like, four-wheelers, cagers, anybody, like, when you're riding down the road in a vehicle, car, bike, or anything, don't be in people's blind spots. You got to be aware of these blind spots because you do have some type of responsibility to help out other fellow riders and stuff like that on that. Oh dang, for such a shitty looking day, there are a lot of bikes out today. That's pretty cool. And well, it is supposed to warm up and sun is supposed to come out later on today, so we'll see how that goes. As a matter of fact, I did a little bit of back road. I'm about ready to hit the highway, only for a few miles. As a matter of fact, I'm getting down here a hell of a lot quicker than I thought I would. You know, I've never been this close up to a trike before, so this is pretty cool. I should give him some time to go because, like, I'll be able to take off a hell of a lot quicker than him. Well, we'll see how he goes. Typically when I come onto the highway at this part, it's a lot of construction, stuff like that. I do have to watch out for uneven lanes, but I typically gun it right about here because, like, once you get onto the highway, you got to get up to speed ASAP because it's coming. They brought us, the way they have the on-ramp is set it up on a curve, so people are coming around going at full speed. So this guy right here is actually doing a very bad thing. Well, it depends. He's probably new to the area, so he probably doesn't realize or recognize it. See, like, now he's probably going about 60. I would have been up to speed at 70, 75 already. Oh, look, a Walmart truck. Hey, just to let you guys know, Walmart trucks only go 65 miles an hour. So if you're going 70, you should be able to pass it easily. Let's go. Yo, I hope the audio is actually doing really well. I haven't been on the highway with the DJI Mic 2 in a hot minute, so hopefully the audio is doing really well. If anything, you guys are picking up some really good sound from my bike, and hopefully not a lot of wind noise, because all I hear is nothing but wind. Goddamn bumps, yo. Oh, yo, I hope I remember my exit. Where are you? Where are you? I hope I can get in behind that Amazon van. Oh, yeah, I can. Oh, goddamn bumps here. Because my exit is coming up. Well, let's try to get in front of this white van. Stay there, don't come over. Oh, yeah. Dang, as I go along the south, the weather looks even worse. This has got to be like the longest exit of all time right here. Good God almighty. I gotta be extremely careful when I'm coming up to this light because the road is like a hot mess. It's more so when I stop because it's very bumpy and gravelly and damn near unpaved, and like you can easily like slip your feet can slip. Actually, oh wow, there's no debris here. They must have came and swept here. Because one time I came here and I was like, oh snap, like it is like gravel central here. Oh, and that Mustang gas a camera on the back. Must be probably a TikToker. Oh, they caught up to me. I guess I'll go ahead and start the outro now because I'm almost to the destination. I think it's the next, yeah, it should be the next light up and then the next light down. So I'm almost there. Well, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video today. There's a lot of rambling. 1 year anniversary though. That's not a total ramble. Super excited. Skill level did go up over the last year. Probably next month, when I talk about the 1 year, one full year with this bike, I'll probably will go more into detail on like where my skill level was at different times and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for coming along with me. And oh, yo, people, before I go. Oh no, wait. Oh wait, not before I go, but just to let you know, I am heading to Flavors of Jamaica. It's a nice little restaurant down here in Ocoee, Florida. I will have I'll have a link and an address in the comments down below. I've been there several times before. Food was good. Food's been good so far. I haven't had any real problems. I've had any, not real problem. I haven't had any problems at all with this place. As a matter of fact, I'm coming up to it right now. But anyways, just so you guys know, as a complete reminder to everybody who is out there, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or expert, which expert is probably only maybe 300 people in the world, yo, make sure y'all ride. I cannot stress that enough. Ride your effing ride, because especially you beginners, because if you ride outside of your skill level, you will hurt yourself and other people, and that is not good. That is not good at all. So make sure y'all ride your ride. Well, as a matter of fact, here I'm pulling up to the place. Flavors of Jamaica. But anyways, peace out everybody, and we'll do this again in another video. Ooh. Funny thing is, I took this spot before. I pissed off so many people because see my bike until the last second. I'm all the way at the bottom. So yeah. Just in case another bike pulls up, because you never know at these type of places. But yeah, anyways, squeeze out. Peace.